Hi there, welcome to GiftlY. My name is Jason Fulton and along with my partner Mosh Barry, we'd like to introduce you to this unusual and very unique simple system that we have put together. Simple, ridiculously easy, and I bet you've never even considered this before. Let me ask you a question. How simple do you think it would be to give something away for free that they actually want? Remarkably, that's all you need to do here. You give away what we call GiftlY and you start banking money. Let me show you the results Mosh has been getting just by giving these GiftlYs away. I was shocked to see that Mosh banked $362.90 in less than 24 hours, simply giving something away that takes just minutes to create. And if you want to make more money, just repeat this newbie-friendly method as often as you want. To be honest, when Mosh originally showed me this, I almost didn't believe him. Of course, Mosh is one of the most honest, straightforward guys I know, so I let him show me what he was doing. I couldn't believe what he was showing me. This was so simple. I wondered why I had never thought of something like this myself. I wanted in on this, so I gave it a try. The first time I did this, I made $168.37, which is not bad. Of course, if it's not repeatable, who cares? So I did it again and made even more money. You can see here generated $249.37. And again, I spent a few minutes on this, gave something away for free and made bank. And so I was able to generate $503.36. Now the best part about this was that it didn't take much time at all. Mosh's shortcut truly was a time saver and actually made something that many people struggle with extremely simple. Not to mention, getting paid to give something away that actually helps people out is very rewarding. That's right, you get paid by giving something away that actually helps people. That's why this brand new method is perfect for newbies and struggling marketers, because it's really brand new. No BS, you haven't seen this ever. You don't need any special skills or equipment. Anyone can do this. You don't need a product or a list to get started. You can use a really simple free traffic strategy to get this going. Spend just 20 minutes today, make money by tomorrow. Because there is a zero chance of this ever getting saturated, Mosh agreed and we bundled everything up into an easy to follow system that anyone can use to profit quickly. Introducing GiftlY. Now we call this GiftlY for obvious reasons. It's because you get paid to give something away. And the best part is, it only takes you a few minutes to create this simple document. So even if you have tried dozens of methods for making money online and struggle to get the results you're looking for, you will start making money straight into your PayPal account within 24 hours from right now. And to make this even easier, give GiftlY a try on our dime for the next 30 days. Here's the way this works. GiftlY will change your life. We know that it's a pretty bold statement, so we're willing to back that up with a big guarantee. Get your hands on GiftlY right now at a big discount. Follow the simple steps inside the training. Make some money, and then decide if this is really for you. If for some crazy reason you don't make money, we'll send you a refund. The only way you can lose with this deal is by missing out on your chance to get GiftlY and the bonuses at the big discount. Click the button below now for no risk access to GiftlY. Stop wasting your time with worn out, rehashed methods that don't ever seem to work the way they claim. GiftlY is new, GiftlY is fresh, and with GiftlY you can make money like this over and over again by simply giving something away. Warning though, the price increases with every sale. If you come back later, you will end up paying more for this or risk missing out completely. Are you ready to start gifting your way to profits? It's pretty clear that the GiftlY system is unlike anything you've ever seen before. It's fast, it's easy, and it's proven to make a lot of money for anyone that follows the step-by-step training. So click the Buy Now button below to take advantage of the early bird price. We look forward to seeing you on the inside.